Are you looking best glue guns? Glue guns are indispensable tools for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and professionals alike. From school projects to home repairs, their versatility allows users to bond various materials, such as wood, plastic, fabric, and ceramics, quickly and effectively. In this comparative review, we tested 5 popular glue guns across a range of price points, $8.49 to $28.49, evaluating their performance, ease of use, and overall value. Product number: Sherbonder Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The Sherbonder Cordless Hot Glue Gun stands out with its high-temperature capability, reaching up to 380 Fahrenheit for optimal bonding on tough materials like metal, wood, and ceramics. Its cordless functionality, supported by a heating base, offers convenience during application, while the built-in non-stick glue pad ensures a clean workspace. The sturdy design and 60-watt power make it suitable for heavy-duty tasks, appealing to professionals and advanced DIYers. In testing, the Sherbonder delivered consistent adhesive performance across various materials, including glass and leather. The cordless mode works for up to 3 minutes, which is adequate for quick fixes, but may require frequent docking for extended use. The ergonomic design and lightweight build enhance user comfort, though the lack of included batteries limits portability. Overall, the Sherbonder is a reliable choice for users seeking power and versatility. Product number: Mini Hot Glue Gun with 30 glue sticks. The SH Jade Mini Hot Glue Gun is an affordable entry-level option ideal for light crafting and school projects. Despite its compact size and 20-watt power, it heats up in just 1 to 2 minutes, making it convenient for quick tasks. The ergonomic handle and foldable stand provide added comfort and safety, while the included 30 glue sticks offer great value for budget-conscious users. During testing, the SH Jade performed admirably for smaller tasks, such as bonding paper, plastic, and lightweight fabric. However, its lower wattage limits its effectiveness on tougher materials like wood or ceramics. The precision nozzle minimizes glue waste, but users need to be cautious about overheating during prolonged use. Overall, this glue gun is best suited for casual DIYers or children working on school projects. Product 3. Hot Glue Gun Kit with 30 glue sticks. The Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit offers a balance of affordability and performance, making it a strong contender for casual users. Featuring a PTC ceramic heating system, it warms up in just 1 minute and maintains a consistent temperature. The anti-drip nozzle ensures precise application, and the ergonomic design enhances comfort during use. The inclusion of 30 glue sticks adds value to this already budget-friendly kit. Testing revealed that the Cordless excels in bonding lightweight materials such as paper and plastic, but struggles slightly with heavier substrates like metal and wood. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to handle, though the 20-watt power output limits its versatility for professional applications. This glue gun is ideal for hobbyists seeking a reliable tool for everyday crafting. Product 4. Mini Hot Glue Gun Set for Class Project. The BXBLT Mini Hot Glue Gun Set is a premium option designed for group projects and frequent use. With 8 glue guns in 4 vibrant colors and 30 glue sticks included, this kit is perfect for classrooms, workshops, or collaborative crafting sessions. The precision nozzle and ultra-fast heating ensure efficient operation, while its insulated design enhances safety during prolonged use. In testing, the BXBLT demonstrated consistent adhesive performance across various materials, including glass and fabric. The 20-watt power output is sufficient for most crafting needs, though it may not be ideal for heavy-duty repairs. The multicolored design adds a playful touch, but the higher price point may deter casual users. Overall, This set is best suited for educators or avid crafters managing multiple projects simultaneously. Product knife. Hot glue gun kit with 40 glue sticks. The Lacox Sync Hot Glue Gun Kit is a versatile and colorful set tailored for families or group crafting projects. With 8 glue guns in 4 colors and 40 glue sticks included, this kit offers excellent value for users needing multiple tools. The anti-scalding nozzle and ergonomic grip ensure safe and comfortable operation, while the PTC ceramic heating system provides quick preheating and consistent performance. During testing, the Lacox Sync Kit excelled in bonding a wide range of materials, from metal and glass to fabric and wood. Its 20W power output is suitable for most crafting tasks, though it may fall short for industrial repairs. The multicolored design adds a fun aesthetic, and the included storage box keeps all components organized. This kit is ideal for families or hobbyists who enjoy working on DIY projects together.